Good morning! Welcome back to Monday Minds. I hope you're all enjoying Monday Minds as much as I do. So today's story goes like this. In a certain company, an employee goes to the HR and says, I want to quit the job. So the HR gets concerned about it. He asks the employee, why? What happened? Why do you want to quit the job? So the employee says, because I did not like the work atmosphere over here. I mean, there's so much politics that's happening. There are so many staffs who are talking about the other person behind them. And there's so much of gossip and negativity in this entire work environment, because of which I'm not able to work efficiently. So the HR says, all right, but before quitting, I want you to do a small task, and after that you can take decision about quitting the job. So the employee says, all right, what is the task that I should be doing? So the HR says, what I want you to do is that take a glass and fill that glass with water till the brim, and I want you to take that glass of water and walk around the office 3 times without spilling the water, and after that you can decide if you want to stay here and or quit the job. So this employee agrees to it. Initially he thinks it's quite weird, but then he thinks to himself that okay, it's just a matter of a few minutes, I'll do this and get going from this office. After finishing the task perfect, he comes back to the HR and says, I finished my task, so can I get going? So the HR says, oh, that's great, but I just wanted few questions about this task. I wanted to know, did you spill the water while walking around? So the employee says, no, I did not. So the HR asks again that what is the thing that you noticed when you were walking around the office? So the employee says, nothing, I was just focused on the glass of water because I did not want it to spill the water. So the HR asks him again that, did you notice anybody around talking negative or gossiping about somebody else, or being rude to somebody else, doing politics about everything that you had complained earlier? So the employee says, no, I did not see anything around because my entire focus was on this glass of water. That's when this HR says, true, my friend, when your focus is on something, the foreign thoughts will not disturb you. Earlier, if your focus would have been more on your work, the negative thoughts of what other employees are doing would not have disturbed you. And this does not restrict or limited only to the work environment, it also applies to your life as well. I mean, what you focus on expands. So always focus on your priorities, always focus on the purpose of your life, and the other things will not disturb you. I understand if even after trying several times, even after trying to focus on your priorities several times, after that also repeatedly, if the environment is disturbing you, that is when you should be changing the environment. But till then, give it a try to focus on your priorities even with the disturbance around, because our world is filled with disturbance. You will be seeing lot of negative thoughts, lot of negative people around you, wherever, irrespective of wherever you are, whichever situation you are in. But it's very important for you to work on yourself so that you do not get disturbed about it. So this is the thing that I learned from this story. So I want you to leave a comment below about what is the learnings that you got from this story, so that we always exchange the knowledge and help other people to understand much more to proceed towards the positive thought. Alright, so I'll be coming up with more stories and more values and ethics, and till then I want you to all take care of yourself, and do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your loved ones, so that you spread lot of positivity around you and good things, good vibes around you. So take care, have a great week ahead.